Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to stabilize your video in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will need to do now is to open your project. You can simply go to your Filmora, the file menu, and basically open your project. And after that you will need just to add the video that you want to start stabilizing or add some more stabilization. So we can simply, I will just go with this footage here. And basically now you will need just to go to the AI tools for your video or for your elements. So basically now I have this video here and here I'm having or we can find these AI tools. So you will have basic settings, the mask, AI tools. Now we will find like the chroma key, smart cutout, there is the motion tracking, planar tracking, and there is the stabilization. So basically here you will need like to have or to start analyzing and you will have more stabilization in your video. So basically you will choose the degree of stabilization and now you will need just to click or you will need just to choose the smoothness of it. So I'm just want to make it less smooth or you wanted to make it more smooth and now the AI is analyzing the video and at the end we will find like the results for stabilization. So as you can see, the stabilization is successful, and now we will see like the results of the video. Of course, like the video didn't have like already no vibration, and the result really depends on the clip and really depends on the settings. So you will be needing like, for example, to change on these settings and also make sure that to not use this on already stable videos. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.